Welcome back. Today we are kicking tires at Castle Country RV in Helper, Utah. If you're interested in any trailers, they have so many here. Just all their contact information is down below. But let's get right to it. Typically when people think fifth wheels, they think these full-time giant units, you know, like a Beacon or a Mobile Suite or a Montana or those sort of things. But there's a lot that are being made that are more of our weekend style. This one right here is the Rockwood Ultra Light by Forest River. This model is the 2445 WS rear living room. And this is a nice small fifth wheel unit that kind of can do everything. So let's walk around it and see what it has. Starting right off, comes with the solid steps. Really like these, stabilizes the unit so much. Over here, we have your pass-through storage with magnets to hold it up, which is nice. That way you aren't hitting your head on it. Nice plastic and rubberized floor. Should hold up really well. For such a small unit, it has really good front storage capacity. You're not going to get storage like this on a lot of the travel trailers. So with a unit the same size as most travel trailers, a lot more storage. Right up top, nice large awning going the whole way. Really nice to see that. I mean, basically your whole trailer, or most of it, can be covered with this one awning. Got a propane station here. Down underneath, we have your front storage compartment. It's not generator prepped or anything like that, but with such a small unit, you aren't really looking for a generator anyways. Pin box is this Turning Point by Trail Air. But Trail Air makes some pretty nice stuff, so I think price should be good. I kind of like that it has this nice little plastic thing to keep it from rusting up here so much. Maybe protect it from the weather a little bit more. Nice rounded front cap, LED lights built in up here as well. Controls for your landing gear. You have docking lights, and it's already solar prepped, which is a great little feature on a trailer like this that you're going to be out boondocking with, to have that solar prep already done. Slide right up here. This is up here a ways. You are not hitting your head on this slide as you walk by. Looking at our weights, not a real heavy trailer. 9,800 pounds, 9,815 is the gross vehicle weight rating. So most 3/4 ton trucks can tow this unit, which is a nice thing, because a lot of us have 3/4 ton trucks. We have our large main living slide out right here, and it is a rack and pinion, which, like I've always said, I really like the rack and pinion. Right here in the center, you have your sewer flush and all that, and I really like that it doesn't have piping coming all the way across the trailer and all that sort of stuff for your sewer flush. Really easy to get to, and it doesn't look like it's going to get caught on curbing or a sidewalk or anything like that. Coming down the side here, right back here, we have your plug-in for your cable, and it comes with a built-in storage rack. With a unit this size, you kind of sacrifice a little bit of storage, but your rack makes up for it. Even comes with a little hitch back here. I'm sure this hitch isn't like tow grade worthy, but it does have a hitch. Pre-wired for your Furrion backup camera as well. Oh, and we even have a little mini fridge here. Keep a few beverages out, so that way when you're sitting under your awning, you can have a beverage. One thing I'm noticing on this unit, pretty thick baggage doors. But not a lot to go around on the outside of such a small unit, so let's head on inside.
Welcome to the interior. This is pretty much it, all one room. Starting on this side, we've got our microwave oven and range. Typical oven, smaller. Does have a nice glass cover that goes on top of the range. 3 burner. Microwave up top. And the rest of our kitchen area here. The sink is a little bit smaller, being that it has 2 small basins versus 1 large one. There is nice overhead storage in this unit. A few drawers underneath. Power station here. And I also wanted to show you this power station as well. If you need it, it's there. Tuck it away when you're not in use. The rest of this counter does go back to this corner here. It is quite deep. It is the depth of our fridge here. There is another power source back there, so if you wanted to tuck away a coffee pot, toaster, whatever it may be. Fridge right here, nicely hidden, I want to say, that matches all the other cabinetry. So fridge is not an eyesore for you. Fridge and freezer there for you. Moving over to our entertainment area, more upper head storage as well as this nice storage below. Pantry, whatever may be. Nice sound bar in the middle. I'm seeing our air control for our fan above. A nice booth here that breaks down obviously into a bed. And to finish out our living, we've got our hide-a-bed couch. So down in this area, you can sleep 2 to 3 people, 4 little ones, possibly. Come on up to our bedroom and bathroom. Got a nice control station right here, our AC box. This unit is prepped for solar, which is nice for those who want solar. Coming into the bathroom, the nice cabinetry again. Nice sized shower, tall and wide. Jesse's gonna give us our step-in test.
Really big shower. Lots of room. Yeah, not too bad at all.
Nice vanity area. Good storage behind the mirror. Sunken sink. And more below. Coming on back into the master bed, we're looking at probably a RV queen here. Nice overhead storage. Nice little dresser, nightstand here. Lots of power sources there. Power sources on the other side. Nice room for CPAP, charging station, whatever you might need on this little nightstand here. Closet here has 2 for hanging. And this one is more for shelving. I am seeing a nice electric fan up in the ceiling as well, giving you more airflow. Which up in these goosenecks, right now, I'm feeling it. Quite a bit of storage under the bed, which is nice to have. You know, on a family unit like this, every little bit of storage you need. It's nice to have it. This unit might be small and simple, but it's got everything you need. It's got room for family, extra storage. Hey, it's all right here. And also with that, the size, you're gonna fit in most RV parks, most national parks, anywhere you're looking to go. If you are interested in one of these Rockwood units, please feel free to look below for information from Castle Country. Thanks you guys for catching us and taking a tour of this unit. We appreciate the viewership. Remember to like and subscribe and to click that bell. And above all, enjoy your weekend.